These are hardened bolts, and each of them will be considered as mandrel. Proof load test is meant to verify the bearing load capability of a nut. The way the test is performed is by assembling the nut to the mandrel or the bolt. Once this assembly is together, what we need to do then is to apply either a pulling force or pressure, trying to separate the two from each other. While we're doing this, the threads on the nut shall not strip or the nut shall not break. Each nut, according to the size and the grade, has a specific or specified proof load amount. Once during the test the load or the amount is reached, we then need to make sure that the load is remain on the assembly for 15 seconds. Once this is done without any break or strip of the thread, we then remove the assembly. With our finger, then try to turn the nut. If the nut turns freely from the bolt, then we consider this acceptable and we can carry on with manufacturing of the nut.
So basically, you take the hardened bolts, okay, you screw it to the nuts that need to be tested.
Yeah.
So you make sure that this one is bigger than your bolt, and then you press the load on it, so it needs to go through. So while you're putting the pressure there, you need to reach the minimum requirement, and then you need to make sure that the load remain on it for 15 seconds. So after that, you come out, and then you need to make sure again that the nuts turn freely on the bolt. If that is the case, then your nuts is acceptable. As simple as that. Okay. So basically, you set the machine at the targeted load. Okay.